today I'm so excited because we are going to be testing out the new Too Faced Pretty Rich collection. I'm so excited to open this up and test out all the products. Oh my god, like as soon as I saw this collection, I was like, I need it right now. It's so pretty. I mean, I guess it goes with the name, Pretty Rich, but I really liked the way everything looked, so I'm so excited to see how everything performs. We're gonna be testing everything out today. And also shout out to Too Faced because I did receive this collection in PR, but you guys know that doesn't change my opinion, and I'm not being paid to make this video. It's not sponsored or anything, but this is how the PR collection was delivered to me. It was in this bag inside of a tiny box that literally just fit this bag. So it was so less wasteful than so many PR packages that I received. So shout out to Too Faced for doing that. That's awesome. We're gonna go ahead and jump in. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you guys do. Just click the little subscribe button right down below, as well as the bell, so you guys can be notified of all of my future uploads. I love you guys so much, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so first I'm going to take everything out of this bag, and then we'll go through the individual products, price points, all that, and then we'll test everything out. Okay, so the first thing is the palette. This is like the main thing in the collection. This is the Pretty Rich palette. It has 16 different shades. Let me open it up out of the packaging. This is going to be retailing for $49. Super cute packaging. I like that a lot. And then you just open it like so. And this is what it looks like. So we have a nice mix of both mattes, super shimmers. These almost look like pressed glitters. These ones where these are more shimmers. So I think those are pressed glitters actually. So we have pressed glitters, shimmers, and mattes all in this palette. And we do have a nice mirror up top. I wish the mirror was a little bit bigger. I like when like the full top is the mirror, but I mean, I'm not gonna get snarky about it. But yeah, this is $49 is what it's going to be retailing for. Oh yeah, okay, so on the back here, it does say there are 4 diamond shaped pressed gel glitter shadows. It does say to prime the lids with Too Faced glitter glue. I don't think I have that, but I will look for it. And it says for best results, use your finger when applying these pressed gel glitter formulas. All right, so I will look for Too Faced glitter glue before we go ahead and test those out. I probably have a glitter glue somewhere. So that is the palette. And then what I was most excited about are the 3 highlights. These look so pretty. So 2 of them are new. One of them is a shade they already had. So this is Canary Diamond. Oh my God, wow, this is really nice. So it like opens up and then you have the highlight inside. That is super bougie. So then when you open this up, ooh, she is stunning. So this is Canary Diamond. This is a new shade. These are gonna be retailing for $34 and they're supposed to be a liquid to powder formula. So of course we will test these out. So we will see how that works. And they're supposed to have actual real crushed diamonds like inside of them, which is pretty legit. But I think this is beautiful. This will probably be the one that I like the best. I like more golden toned highlights. Then we have Fancy Pink Diamond, which is the other new shade. Let's check her out. This is Fancy Pink Diamond. That's really stunning too, like a light pink shade. And then last but not least, we have Diamond Fire. This one is not new, but it is in this really beautiful packaging. This is like kind of like an iridescent highlight. So we will test this one out as well. Then they have a limited edition Better Than Sex mascara. Oh my God. When I saw this, I was like, what? Because I love the Better Than Sex mascara. I literally use it all the time. But can you guys please look at this? Like, I die. It's literally covered in diamonds. It's the same thing, like the actual formula and everything is exactly the same. It's the regular Better Than Sex mascara, but it just comes covered in diamonds. Like, I don't even think I'm ever gonna use this. I need to just keep it and like, I'm gonna like display it somewhere. Like, it's so pretty. I really like this. This is like so me. Let me see what this is retailing for. I don't know that it's any more expensive. Okay, no, I found another website and it's retailing for $24, which is the regular price. So like, you guys gotta get this while it's like this because this is beautiful. I might like personally like buy myself another one because it's just so pretty. And you don't have to pay any more for it. But the mascara, so the glosses, the mascara, and the mask, which I didn't show you the glosses or the mask yet, those are launching on December 9th, and then the palette and the highlighters are gonna be available on November 29th, so I'm filming this the day after that. So the palette and the highlights, they're already available. The other guys, not available yet, but coming soon. Then we have the Rich and Dazzling glosses. So these are gonna be retailing for $21 each. They are all new shades, I do believe. The one they did in collaboration with Jordan Woods, and that is in the shade Social Butterfly. So we will test all of them out, but yeah, this one is in collaboration with her, so it kind of has special packaging. The rest are just in regular pink packaging, and hers is in gold. So that's super cute, but we will test all of the glosses out. And then the last thing is the glitter mask. So this is the Too Faced Glow Job glitter mask. So they came out with one of these last year, but it was like a pink glittered mask. So this is basically the same thing in this collection, except they came out with a silver glitter mask that you can use. So I will show you guys what it looks like. Oh wow, this packaging is super cute. And this is gonna be retailing for $42. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my God, stop. This is so cool. Ooh, and it smells really good. Wow, it smells amazing. But yeah, It's silver glitter. Oh my God, it almost like came out. It's very liquidy, but we're not gonna be testing the mask out today. But I will test it out off camera because obviously I already have my makeup and everything done, but I can test it off camera and let you guys know my thoughts. And they do have a diamond light highlight brush that can be used with the highlighters. This is retailing for $30, so we will test this out today with the highlights. All right, so the first thing I wanna test is the eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in and we will get started, but I do have to look for that glitter glue. Well, let me go see if I can find some. All right, you guys, I found the glitter glue. I have it. I don't know that I've ever even used this, but we're gonna use it today. I am gonna go in and do like the crease colors and stuff first before I put the glitter glue on my lids, but we will use this with one of the glitter shades. All right, so let's zoom in. All right, so hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing now. I am first gonna go in with It's Cashmere right here in my crease. Too Faced never lets me down with my neutral transition colors. They always have them in their palettes, so it makes my life a lot easier. So I'm just going to blend this back and forth. This is a matte. Ooh, my ear is so white. Oh my God. We're gonna cover that up because I don't self-tan my ears. Maybe I should. But this matte seems to be blending out super easily, at least right now. It would have been nice if they would have given like a little mini glitter glue with the palette. I feel like that would have been nice since you are supposed to use that with the glitters, but I mean, it probably would have made the price of the palette more expensive anyways, so. All right, that blends out really nice. This is a super warm, like pretty color. I like that. This color, oh, that's rich, is like calling my name. It's like a maroony, kind of dark brown with reddish undertones. I really, really like that. So I'm debating using that in my crease, but I know people are gonna comment and be like, oh my God, you always do the same look. But like, that is such a pretty color. I can't not use it. And it is different because it is like a more like almost a maroon. I'm just gonna use it. Because I also feel like when you're testing out a palette, you should be doing a look, like this isn't a makeup tutorial, you know what I mean? Like I'm testing these products to see whether or not they're good. So I wanna do a look that I would normally do, and this would normally be the color that I would gravitate towards. I am gonna first though, like put it in my outer kind of corner, and then I'm gonna work it because I don't wanna make it just boom like all in my crease and have it be super dark. So we're gonna start here and then we will build it up. This brush is like really stiff. I'm going to grab a different one. Okay, this one is better at making. I'm going to try and make like that outer V here with the shade and then blend everything out. I feel like when you do apply this to your lid, you kind of lose that almost maroon sort of undertone that it looks like it has in the pan. Like I feel like on the pan, it looks way more red than it looks on my eye. On my eye, it just looks like a really dark brown. So that's interesting. But just something to note. It is blending pretty easily though. I'm gonna go back in with that stiffer brush and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. We're gonna be doing smoky smoky today. But I haven't done a really like dark eye like this in a while. I always keep my eyes like pretty light. Alrighty, so I think we are ready to go in with some of the glitter glue now that I have blended this. I am first gonna go in and do a little highlighting though. I'm gonna go in with the Don't Carrot at All. That's so cute. It's this golden shade right here. And I'm gonna pop that into my inner corners, and then I'm also gonna bring it beneath, because if you guys see, I didn't bring the dark all the way in because that really closes off the eye. So I'm just gonna finish it out with that lighter golden shade. Just pop it in there like so. This shade is pretty subtle actually. I was thinking it was gonna be more glittery, I feel like, than it is. Like I'm not getting 10 tons of like glitterness with this, but we'll see how the pressed glitters are. I'm gonna jump in with a tiny bit of Clutch Your Pearls right here. This is like more of like a white, like a stark highlight. I'm gonna just pop that to really make it pop. Yeah, so that's more of like a brighter highlight. I probably should have mixed them together. Ooh, that has like a pinky undertone to it. Can you guys see? It's almost like a duochrome. I'm gonna put it beneath my brows as well, just to highlight that. All right, now I'm gonna go in and apply some glitter glue to a little brush, and we will go in and apply that to the eye. Hopefully this works. Ooh, I feel like that was a lot. Okay, no ma'am, that's too much. I'm like not super familiar with glitter glue, like I said. I feel like I used this like once. I hope it's not expired because it's definitely old. So I'm gonna kind of just like carve out the crease, I guess, a little bit with this. Because I'm not gonna bring the glitter all over the lid. I'll probably bring it like 3/4 of the way or so. I wanna keep that outer corner smoky. Oh yeah, this is definitely starting to get tacky. Okay, that's pretty cool. Maybe I'll just do one eye at a time because I don't want it to like dry without pressing the glitters down on it. I'm gonna try and apply the glitter Actually, no, I'm just gonna use my finger. I was gonna say I was gonna try with a brush, but like it literally says choose your fingers, so I'll do that. I'm gonna go in with Fluent in Diamonds. This one looks so, so pretty. So I'm gonna just press my finger in there. Oh my God. Okay, I'm excited. Woo! And then I'm gonna press my finger onto my lid. Oh my God. Stop. This is so pretty. Holy crap. Okay, my only problem is getting it into my very inner corner. I'm gonna have to use a brush for that because my finger with my nail is just never gonna fit in there. It's gonna go everywhere, but oh my God. Stop it. This is so freaking pretty. Excuse my language, but what the heck? Low-key obsessed. Let me get a little brush so we can do the inner corner. Holy crapoline. Holy crap, this is so pretty. So I'm just gonna use a little brush to do this inner part right here. Oh, even with a brush, it doesn't like apply badly. Like it pretty much goes on the same. But what the heck? Oh my God. This is so, so pretty. Okay, I'm obsessed with this palette. Oh my God. This would be like pretty for New Year's. Like I'm jumping past Christmas already into New Year's, but like what? Okay, I am loving this. Let's do the glitter glue on the other eye. I was low-key very nervous because I'm not good with glitters and like stuff like this. This is out of my comfort zone. If I ever use glitter, I always use like the Stila little liquid glitters because that's like easier. And do you guys see like underneath my eye, I don't even have any fallout. All right, now let's do this eye. I still have so much left on my finger. Oh my God. This palette is literally making me want to cut my nails off so I can just do this every day because it is kind of hard with long nails to press it like into an exact place. Like if you guys see, I got some glitter up here just because my fingers are big, but I am obsessed. Wow. Okay. Gonna just do the same thing where I use the brush over here. Yeah, honestly, the brush doesn't apply it bad. Like I feel like you can't really see that big of a difference in my inner corner versus the rest of my lids. So you could definitely probably get away with using a brush with the glitter glue. I would just use like a small dense brush like I'm using right now. And I'm gonna just drag whatever glitters is left on here just on this little part right here. Just have a little bit of glitter. I'm obsessed with this eye look. From what I use, this palette is everything, okay? Loved this. I'm gonna go in, finish off the eye look, do like liner and lashes and stuff, and then we will jump back in to test the rest of the products, but like obsessed, okay? Obsessed. Alrighty, so we are ready to finish up and go on to the face and the lip stuff. We are gonna move on to the highlights. Hopefully they are just as good. I took the brush out of the packaging because at first I was like $30 for a brush, it better be good. But the brush is actually really cute. I didn't realize that this was like what the bottom looked like, that it looks kind of like a diamond. So it is super cute. $30 is kind of expensive for a highlight brush, but it does feel soft and stuff, so I am going to use this to apply the highlights today. It's kind of up to you whether or not you want to spend $30 on it, but it is a cute brush nonetheless. So I'm going to focus on the two newer shades, and then of course we'll use the one that's not new as well. So I'll first go in with Fancy Pink Diamond. This is the more pink toned one, so I'm just going to go in like so, get some on here, and apply to my cheek. Okay, so it is not blinding. Like it's not like a blinding highlight. It's very pretty, but it's definitely subtle, which you guys know is not really me. But not everybody wants a blinding highlight, so I can definitely appreciate it. Let's see if we build it up. Okay, yeah, so if you build it up, you can definitely make it a little bit more blinding, but it's not gonna be crazy blinding from the get-go. But oh, actually, all right. So yeah, I mean, that was about three layers, 3 times I did my brush in to build it up. So it can definitely be built up to be more blinding, or you can keep it more subtle. If I look straight on, you still don't see this like stripe on my cheek, which I do like, because sometimes if a highlight is too crazy pigmented, you kind of get these weird like stripes. And it definitely is pretty like pinky undertone. So that is this one. I'm not obsessed with it, but that's because I like blinding. We're gonna go in with Canary Diamond. This is the one that I feel like I will like the most because it is more like a golden tone. I wanna try and get the other color off so we can see the color difference. And this brush is nice, like I thought it applied it nicely, so. All right, let's go in with Canary Diamond on this side. Yeah, see, when you first apply them, they're subtle. Oh, so this one actually has a pink undertone to it too, or like almost like a peachy pink. So it looks more golden in the pan, but I guess in the pan you actually can see like the pinky undertone. So it definitely goes on pink, much less golden. So this one is kind of like the lighter version, and then this one is just like the darker version, but they're both pink undertoned. So that is what they look like. They're definitely nice if you like subtle highlights. Like I said 100 times already, I like to be blending. So these are not gonna be like a staple and everyday go-to for me. But if you're more low-key, want something more natural, this would probably be pretty good for you. And then for the last one, Diamond Fire, I'll go down my nose with this one. This is a more like white toned. So I'll just use that. Well, this one is actually probably my favorite. That's pretty actually. And this one has more of like a bluish undertone to it, so which can be seen like in the pan as well. So those are the highlights. Super pretty, but just not like my type of highlight. I'm more obsessed with the eyeshadow palette for sure because that was like blinding and beautiful, but these can be built up for sure. Now let's go into the glosses. So the first one that I will test out is their collab with Jordan Woods. The packaging on the glosses is super cute. The packaging on her gloss is really no different than the packaging on the others. The actual carton was different, but the actual gloss looks the same except for the fact that it has her signature on it, which is super cute. So the shade that she created is called Social Butterfly. So let's go in with this and apply. As you guys can see, I have nothing on my lips, so we will be seeing how pigmented they are as well. Ooh, they smell good, honey. Oh, they smell like cupcakes. I love that. And I like the doe foot as well. It's big, but still movable. This is really pretty actually. And even though these are super, super glittery and they look like super juicy on the lips, I can't feel like grittiness from the actual glitter, which that is like my biggest pet peeve with lip glosses that have glitter in it. I don't want to feel the glitter on my lips, but honestly, like you really have to smash your lips together to even feel anything. It really is very subtle. They glide on really easily, so I actually really, really like this. This is a beautiful shade. So like I said, this one is Social Butterfly. I like this one a lot. Up next, I'm gonna go in with a clear one. So this one probably isn't gonna have like much pigment to it. But this one is All the Stars. This I would probably use with like a lip stick underneath it. Ooh, but she has like actually a lot of pigment because this one is more like pinky purpley kind of undertoned, like the last highlight that we used. This is pretty. So this is All the Stars. And if you guys are wondering, these are not hard to take off at all. They're coming off really easily when I'm wiping them and they're not sticky, which I really, really like. I hate when lip glosses are sticky, but sometimes that means that they're not long lasting. So I am gonna definitely be wearing one of these throughout the rest of the day. I'm actually going to dinner right after I'm done filming this. So I will wear the lip gloss and then I will update in the description how well it lasted. Okay, next we're gonna go in with Sunset Crush. I feel like if I was to purchase a lip gloss from this collection, it would probably be this one. This is just kind of like a color that I feel like I would go for. Very pretty kind of neutral pink shade. I love this shade. This is really, really pretty. So again, this one is Sunset Crush. Up next, we have 401k. Oh my God, that's so funny. I just imagine like a little girl, like somebody who's like 10 years old, like asking their mom to buy them this lip gloss and 401k, having no idea what that means. Okay, so this one is more purpley. This is my least favorite kind of lip color on me. I feel like it makes my teeth look yellow and I never go for these kind of bright purplies. I know people like color like this, but I just never really wear this type of color on my lips. So this is not a fave of mine. Formula is bomb, it's like the rest of them, but yeah, color-wise, I probably wouldn't wear this much. I really wish there was like a red lip gloss in this collection because I actually really, really like this formula and I love like a glossy red lip, especially for the holidays, and because this launched near the holidays, I wish there was a red, but that's okay. Next we have Raisin the Roof. Check out this one. Ooh, this one's really nice actually. So this is a little bit of a deeper, darker neutral. And obviously in real life, I would probably wear these all with a lipstick underneath them. Like I don't think they're that pigment on their own where I'm like, oh, you don't even need a lipstick. Like I would definitely probably wear a lipstick and top it with a lip gloss, but I wanted to show you guys what they look like on their own without anything underneath it, like counteracting it. But this is Raisin the Roof. I actually really, really like this one. This is beautiful. And then last but not least, we have this golden one. This one is in Pretty Penny. This is like a pretty neutral shade, like a brown neutral. There's lots of like pinky neutrals in this collection, so this one is more brown. Oh yeah, I actually really like this one. This one's really, really pretty. This one is, okay, so the last two are my faves. I feel like I like this last one the best, but this one's really pretty too. Alrighty guys, so that is everything. My absolute favorite thing of the collection definitely is the eyeshadow palette. I think it's beautiful. It would make a great holiday gift. I also really, really like the lip glosses as well. Let me know down below what you guys think of the collection. Are you gonna be picking anything up? I would love to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so very much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.